My name's Molly and I'm 29 years old. I came to Dr. Hesham in February of this year, 2009, because previously, about 6 months earlier, I'd had a fit. I'd had a fit and they weren't sure whether it was an epileptic fit or what kind of fit it was, but after doing some research and being seen by a naturopath, I was referred to Dr. Hesham. And I was also having dizziness and sore throat, swollen glands, tingling in the right side of my face and numbness in my right cheek. And through the naturopath we found out that I had this huge mercury filling that was actually, giving me putting mercury into my body. So after seeing Dr. Hesham, he removed the mercury filling. I have to say I'm particularly frightened of the dentist, and he did a great job, and I was sedated while having the procedure, and afterwards I had no pain and I felt very, very well, and I wasn't tired. I felt really, really good quite quickly after having the treatment. And I came back to see him 2 months later, and my mercury reading had gone down from about 40 to 0 within the 2 months, and I'm really, really delighted, and I'm going to continue now to have my permanent fillings replaced. And I'm just amazed that mercury is still used in the United Kingdom and people are still having it put in their mouth. And it makes me laugh when you go to the dentist that they say, "Oh, are you pregnant? If you're pregnant, then we won't give you a mercury filling, but otherwise we'll give you a mercury filling." And I just find it quite shocking that people are walking around with these mercury fillings in their mouths, and actually they're poisoning you every day and you're not really aware. Maybe there are times in your life when you feel quite tired or lethargic, or you don't have energy and you're not sure why it is, but it could well be that you've got mercury fillings in your mouth and your body's constantly trying to get rid of it. For example, sometimes I felt tired, and there was also symptoms that my liver was overworking, and it was because it was constantly trying to get rid of this mercury that was constantly being pumped into my blood system. So I would really recommend, firstly, to get tested to see how high your mercury readings are, and then to come to Dr. Hesham and get it removed, because you'll have a new way of life.